Now we have to study this topic called reflection. Now near about every object can reflect, or every surface can reflect light. Every surface can reflect light. But saying that, I will say some surfaces reflect better and some surfaces does not reflect in that way or reflects very poorly. So some surfaces reflect better and some surfaces do not. Some surfaces do not reflect or reflect poorly. So the question is, which surface can reflect it better and which surface does not reflect? So which surface can reflect better? Or which surfaces can reflect nicely? You can say any polished surface, any polished, smooth, any polished surface, or you can say any smooth surfaces can reflect the light better. So if I have a very polished surface, the light will come like this and the light will go. So reflection happens very properly. And what is the example of this? I can take the example of it is a mirror. A mirror is a polished surface, also a smooth surface. That is why reflection happens in a much better way. What you can say, the reflection poorly happens. You can say when the surface is not a polished, you can say it is a dull surface, or you can say it is a rough surface, dull surface or a rough surface, then the reflection is not properly. Like if you have the surface like this, then the reflection will not be done properly. So example of this is what? Say if you are seeing your face on a utensil, you know, if you are seeing your face on a utensil, then the reflection won't be very clear. You will get to see yourself, but you won't get to see yourself in a very clear way. So reflection, where it is a polished and a smooth surface, we have a better reflection. If we have a dull or a rough surface, then we have a poor reflection. Now based on that only, clear reflection and say non-clear reflection, today we have to discuss a topic that is called as regular and diffuse reflection. But before beginning to this topic of regular and diffuse reflection, I have to discuss one thing with you. Do you know what is a beam of light? What is a beam of light? See, this is called a ray of light. But if there are many rays of light, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if there are many rays of light, this is called beam of light. So I can say collection of rays of light, it is called beam of light. Clear? Now we begin with the topic, what is called diffuse reflection and what is regular reflection. So regular reflection and diffused reflection. Regular reflection and diffused reflection. For a regular reflection, we will use a smooth surface. We will take a smooth surface, and for a diffused reflection, we will take a rough surface. Clear? Now in a regular reflection, what happens is that the light, or I will say beam of light, the beam of light is coming. So suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly over here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is a beam of light which is coming. When the beam of light hits or strikes the smooth surface, then the light will go in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see the lights are going in one particular direction. The light which is going out, it is going in a particular direction. But if we look for diffuse reflection, what we can see over here is that one light is going like this, one light like this, one light like this, another like this, another like this. So all lights are going in different way. So this kind of a reflection is known as diffuse reflection. So this is a regular reflection, this is a diffuse reflection. So where we have regular reflection? Where we have regular reflection is obtained when the light falls on a shiny surface like a mirror. So if the light strikes a shiny surface like a mirror, then we have regular reflection. But if light strikes a rough surface, what is a rough surface? You can take this wall as a rough surface. Say a wall, even you can say take the surface of water. In the surface of water, of course you have seen the reflection, the reflection of the trees or the reflection of buildings on the surface of water you can see. But if you see clearly, those reflections are not very clear. So you can take wall or the surface of water, okay. So over here, or the stones, suppose there are lots of stones, light is coming and hitting the stones, or our road, the road that is there outside our house, the road. So over here we all have diffused reflection. Light comes and hits the road, and all the lights goes in different direction. So this is light coming and hitting the surface of the road, that is a diffused reflection. Light coming and hitting the surface of a mirror, that is a regular reflection. So basically you know the basic difference between regular reflection and diffused reflection. Now basically in regular reflection and diffused reflection, if you have to know the difference between them, you can write this difference, that in a regular reflection, if you have seen this picture, okay, if you have seen this drawing, what you can say, in a regular reflection, after reflection, what happens? After reflection, what happens? Think. The light travels parallel to each other. You can see all these three lights are traveling parallel to each other. After reflection, the light travels parallel to each other. So after reflection, you can see the light travels parallel to each other, and also you can say, and they travel parallel to each other, and they travel in a particular direction. So this is the first thing that you have to know. In a regular reflection, all the light travels in a particular parallel to each other, and they all travel in a specific or in a particular direction. Whereas in a diffuse reflection, what I can say, after reflection, the light rays travels in all the different direction. After reflection, the light rays travels in different directions, in different direction. So this is the first difference. So after reflection, the light travels in different direction. You can see this travels like this comes, travels like this comes, travels like this. So all they are traveling in different direction. And the second difference that you have to say over here is what? In a regular reflection, the image that is obtained, it is a clear image. We get a very clear image is obtained for a regular reflection. And for diffuse reflection, what you can say? A hazy image is obtained in a diffused reflection. So because all the light travels in different direction, so for the observer, see, if I am the observer, light will be coming one from this side, one from this side, one from this side. So for me, the image won't be clear. Whereas in a regular reflection, all the lights are coming in a particular direction. See, if I'm there, all the lights are coming in from one direction to my eyes. So for me, the image will be very clear. Okay, so this picture can show you the difference between an image of a regular reflection and the image of a diffused reflection. So I hope you understood the difference between regular and the diffused reflection.